Hello there, my name's Dave Allen, I'm good and geeky, and today I want to have a look at how I go through making the chapter markers to use in my YouTube videos. I start off by recording in Screenflow, and I can put the chapter markers in there pretty easy. Just use a keyboard shortcut and put the chapter marker in there, what the comment is or whatever else, and then move on to the next one. And then when I export it out, I can start doing some stuff with it. Now when it comes out of there, I put it into an application called Subler, and it gives me the text track, and from that I need to start working with it to make it suitable to put into YouTube, because it comes out looking like this. And in Subler, you see there's my text track there, and this doesn't look too bad. You've got the titles there, you've got the times there, although there are too many certain numbers in there. I don't need that many numbers in there when I'm doing YouTube itself. What I need is for it to look like this. So it starts off with chapters there, but I can put that in extra. So what I've got here is I've got the 2 zeros, semicolon, and then we've got 2 numbers, and then followed by a space, dash, space, and then we've got the actual name of the chapter. So that's what I wanted to get looking like, but what I end up with once I get it out of Subler, this is what it looks like, and that is nowhere near right at all. So what I've done is I've set up an automation to do this for me automatically, to change it from what we've got here and put it into what we've got, and as I showed you on the YouTube channel. And it took me a while to do it, so I did it in Keyboard Maestro. So let's have a look in Keyboard Maestro, see what I've got there. So this is the one I did there. It's called Clean Up Subler. So it starts off by simulating Command F, which is basically to open up the find command. Then I do a delete because I want to clear out anything that's in there already, in case there's something in there already. Then I'm putting this bit here, which is basically saying what it is I want it to look for. In this case, it's the words chapter, followed by 1 number, 2 numbers, equal sign, 2 more numbers, and then a colon. And then when I've done that, I do the tab key, I select all, I do the delete to make sure that there's nothing in the next one there. And then I've got this keyboard shortcut, which is Option Command plus equals, and that makes the BBEdit do the find and replace. Then I have to do another bit, because then there's a second line where I'm looking for chapter, 2 numbers, the word name in capital letters, and then the equal sign. So that's easy enough. Then I tab. I know that the next one there is already empty, so I don't have to do a delete in there. But so then the Keyboard Maestro macro does the thing with the keyboard shortcut again and runs the macro to remove what was there and replace it with nothing. Go do a tab, do another delete, pause for 1 second, and then the next thing I'm looking for is a dot followed by number, or actually 3 numbers. I've got a backspace D, and then this where it says 3, that shows me that there's 3 numbers I'm looking for. And then I put in 2 backslashes and the N. Okay, so it should have worked with the backslash and N because I'm using Regex here, but for some reason or other it wasn't taking it. I had to put in an extra backslash. Then I do a tab. So this is where I put in the space, dash, space, and that separates the time from the comment. So then I run the replace command, which is Option Command and equals, and that gets rid of the text that I don't want and puts in the space, dash, space. So let's see how it works in action. Let's go to BBEdit. So I'll say this is what it looks like when it's finished. And if I do Command Z a couple of times there, so this is what it looks like when it starts off. This is how it comes in when I bring it in from Subler. So all I've got to do is type in the word cleanup, and it does its thing, and I don't have to do anything more. Job finished. How good is quick and easy is that? In fact, it's just good and geeky. I've set it up so it works on that word cleanup, and I've also set it up so it works off a shortcut key as well. So let's just do a Command Z on this here, bring it back to the way it was, and then I'll do the Command keystroke this time instead, and off it goes again. And job finished. It's all done automatically for you, and we've got an automation which is what we're looking for. Get the job done, get it done right every time without even having to think about it. I'm Dave Allen, I'm good and geeky. Talk to you again soon. Bye bye now. So now what you've got to do if you want to see some more tips, tricks and tutorials that are really good and geeky is subscribe and press that bell button. Go for it.